Types of mixture. To understand this, let us take three beakers or three conical flasks and take little sand and water in the first beaker. Take some blue vitriol and water in the second beaker and take some sand in the third beaker. Okay? So now you are to add water into each and you are going to stir and you are going to record the observation. So what you are going to see after stirring, you will see that there are some changes, right? Some are getting mixed with it, some and they form a uniform solution. For example, blue vitriol plus water, the entire solution will become blue in color. When you take soil, then the soil not completely get dissolved in the water. If you see in the bottom, the soils remains, but the water becomes little muddy in color, isn't it? So here, if the mixture has same one phase, it is called as homogeneous mixture. Means blue vitriol is the homogeneous mixture, whereas the sand and water is the heterogeneous mixture. Okay. Now observe. In the Diwali, we are using the lighting the lamps. Okay, some mama takes one glass, adds water and then color into it, and then over it she pours oil. What happens is the oil doesn't get mixed with water, right? So here if you stir it, when it comes to reds, the oil will float into over the water, right? So that is the heterogeneous mixture. So children, after understanding the meaning of the homogeneous and heterogeneous, we'll see the examples and try to understand different words which are related to the mixture. We'll understand about the solute, solution, solvent, etc. So let us take now the experiment where we are going to take some common salt in first beaker. We are going to take sawdust in the second beaker and we are going to take milk in the third beaker. Okay. Instead of beaker, you can take conical flask also and you are going to stir it. Now, which of the mixture show the separate water phase? Here, you will see that the common salt gets dissolved completely into the water, whereas sawdust doesn't get mixed, तो वहाँ पे water वैसा ही रहेगा, isn't it? And milk and water you are not able to distinguish presently. After understanding this differentiation, if you use filter paper, ठीक है, filter मतलब like a what you use for filtering. घर पे जैसे चाय छानने के लिए छन्नी वगैरह होती है ना, वैसा है. So with that, sawdust can be removed आराम से because doesn't get mixed up. आराम से उनको filter पे से separate कर सकते हो, right? Now, one fantastic thing which we are going to do is with the laser light. So when you some of you are playing with the laser light side, now with the time to do the experiment. Observe that you pass on the laser light through each of this beaker or the conical flask. After passing it, just keep one white paper on the other side. Here is your laser light source and here is the screen. In between क्या है? That particular beaker or the conical flask. So you observe. What do you see in this? At some of the, yes, very good observation. So we have that laser light is able to pass through some of the mixture, but it is not able to pass through the other type of mixture. So what are the different types? Let us understand according to the things which we are seeing. So after this we'll come to the conclusion of it. But observe, यहाँ पे light दिख रही है, यहाँ पे नहीं दिख रही है, right? So observe these things. Now we'll go further. After this is the funnel which we made at in the laboratory. We use the filter paper, we keep over this funnel and then we try to filter it. So whatever sawdust is there, that we can filter, but blue vitriol we can't, the milk we can't, right? So let us understand some of the words related to mixture of the homogeneous phase and the heterogeneous phase. First, let us understand the homogeneous mixture. So what is solution? The homogeneous mixture of two or more substance is called solution. मतलब you cannot distinguish कि भाई ये नमक है और ये पानी है. नमक का पानी आपके सामने रख दूंगी तो it will be, you means आपको टेस्ट से ही पता चलेगा. Otherwise you will not come to know it is a plain water of the salty water, isn't it? So it's a homogeneous mixture, right? So homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is called as the solution. Okay. Now in this जो हम लोग ने salt add किया ना, that is in small amount, so they are called as the solute. And water, which is large, contains the large portion, that is called as the solvent. Okay, so this is what is the water, which is solvent. And when you dissolve salt into water, you are going to get the solution, the salty water. So see, all the three things starts with S: solute, solvent, solution. So if I write mathematically, in solvent plus solute gives you solution. Okay. So if we write mathematically, I'll just write it. You have solute plus solvent gives you solution, right? Now here I have just taken salt and water and made a salty water. ऐसे ही कुछ और भी ले सकती हूँ क्या? How, what are different types of phases we can see here? What are the different solute and solvent we can take? And accordingly, what solution we are going to get? Let us take the example. Blue vitriol in water, salt in water, sugar syrup. These are all the things where solid is dissolved in the liquid. So what is the type of solution we are going to get is the solid in liquid, है ना? सॉलिड सब्सटेंस को डिसॉल्व किया इन लिक्विड. So it is, what is type? Solid in liquid, right? अभी ऐसा ही विनेगर आप लोगे, विनेगर को थोड़ा डाइल्यूट करोगे, so how it will be? Liquid in liquid, correct? Repeat again. Various examples of